New at 11, how is the air quality in your neighborhood? UCF scientists found out.
Yeah, they've tested the air all across the city of Orlando, and News 6's Troy Campbell is live in Orlando. So Troy, UCF hopes the testing will help get results for neighborhoods that ranked at the bottom of the list.
That's right, and this is the next step forward. So what they did is they said after their initial air quality results came in, they wanted to turn to the public, ask for their suggestions to get the results that they're all looking to get. Ultimately, so far, researchers say areas of Orlando that have the most amount of vehicle emissions has the worst air quality.
We saw spikes in pollution during the 4th of July and New Year's Eve.
Initial results from the first phase of UCF's air quality research project, broken down by city commission district, then narrowed down by neighborhood and the hour of day. UCF gathered information from 60 air quality sensors, partly designed by UCF students, and then placed throughout the city of Orlando.
When there was an opportunity to learn about our air quality, I thought that would be interesting to help be a citizen scientist.
Logan Lampier attached one of the sensors to his home in Thornton Park.
We have a very strong neighborhood with a lot of advocacy, but I know there are some areas that aren't as well represented, so I'm curious to see how we can help them.
Breaking down the areas of Orlando with the poorest air quality according to the study, Orange County District 6, consisting of the Holden Heights and Washington Shores neighborhoods, ranked number 1 with the most pollutants found. At a close number 2, Orlando Commission District 5, which includes Paramore and downtown. The next ranking goes to the combined area of District 1 and 2, covering Azalea Park and South Cimarron. UCF engineering professor Hafe Yu says the line showed the average amount of pollution particles detected in the air.
The overall concentration is relatively low, but you do see from neighborhood to neighborhood, you do see differences. So if you are sensitive to pollution, such as you have asthma, that may be the issue.
UCF public health professor Thomas Breyer says their online interactive map allows for people to check near real-time air quality reports closest to them.
These kinds of data are not available at the neighborhood level in the way that we've made them available through the sensors. And the next step of democratizing data is to make sure that the residents who have access to it have the opportunity to use the data to improve their life quality in some way.
Thankfully, those researchers say the city of Orlando, we have much better air quality than the national average, partly citing our flat coastal region. Of the suggestions in the meeting, it included planting more trees and also having stronger advocacy for mass transit projects. Also, the best areas of Orlando for air quality ended up being Orlando Commission District 3, which includes College Park and Baldwin Park. Live in downtown Orlando tonight, Troy Campbell, Getting Results, News 6.